It's less than 1 minute before the liftoff. So it's counting, and the rocket is scheduled to be launching very soon. You can see the gantries are going off the rocket. So we're about to go. Just seconds before we go. So you can see the ignition, and we're about, yes, now we are taking off, and we have the liftoff of this beautiful rocket on its flight into orbit. And so now we will be watching the flight sequence. How beautiful it is, you can see, ladies and gentlemen. That's a very fantastic view of Soyuz. We'll be in the clouds soon already.